Hey everybody, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this is something we've never done before, and that is chalkboards. Not just one, but two different sizes, which I love. So you're gonna pick your chalkboard. Your smallest chalkboard, which is right here in the gray. It's in our mixed material that you see here. This is our 11 by 14. This is gonna be $19.95. And then our large one is 16 by 20, and this is $24.95. But let me show you why this is so awesome. There's a lot of reasons. Okay, a couple of things. You can hang it first and foremost. So you get two of these hooks on the back. You can also have a place for dowels, which is how these are leaning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wood dowels, put it right inside here, and then look at how easy this is in our confetti. Turn it right around. Where are you gonna get the chalk? Ha! We included it. I love that. So inside your box, you'll see in the styrofoam, we put a sticker, it says chalk location here. You're going to receive 12 pieces of colored chalk, which is just awesome. And I love chalkboards in my kitchen, around the house, because it's great for to-do lists, for grocery lists, for little messages that we want to write to one another, and so much more. So look at how sweet this is. In, of course, our beautiful gray. Let me put the dowel back in here over here. And I love the fact that the small one is $19.95, 11 by 14, and the large one is $24.95, and that is 16 by 20. We have it in your gray. We have it in your confetti. We're not showing you both sizes, but we have it. Look at our doodle-doo. Are you kidding? A rooster in your kitchen, sign of prosperity, good luck. Love this one. The beautiful red couldn't be cuter. And then back behind me, of course, we have our classic blue. That's why we've called it a Tara's must-have, exclusive on temp-tations.com. So head on over there and pick your color and pick your size and get to it. Get writing. Bye.